Combo in the Mambo, that rhymes. Hey guys, welcome back to Ballroom Feed. We're gonna bring it back with the Mambo and we're gonna do our first combo. And this is gonna be combining patterns 1 through 3 for you.
So basic, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow into offset breaks, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, one basic in between, slow, quick, quick, slow, and an open break and underarm turn, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Side basic, slow, quick, quick, slow, offset breaks, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, side basic, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, open break, underarm turn, slow, quick, quick, slow. Okay guys, so pretty simple, not too crazy. We kind of did it in the order that you may have learned it, hopefully. So we're gonna demo that with music and maybe you can practice that with us. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe here for more. We do have a website, ballroomfeed.com. Please go check that out if you haven't. It would mean the world. That's linked in the bio for you. Also, if you haven't learned these steps, we would recommend you learn them step by step before attempting any sort of combination, because we didn't teach the steps here. We just went through the combo. So if that wasn't clear, make sure you do that. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.